Hello everyone, welcome to Techavro. Today in this video I'm gonna show you how to remove display name in Snapchat. Before starting the video, please subscribe to Techavro. So let's get started. For this you have to open your Snapchat. Then go to your account, press on settings, click on name. From here, you can see remove name. If you want to remove your display name, you just have to press here remove name. That's it. So this is how to remove name in Snapchat. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.